And for dinner tonight, I want to try this new recipe I saw online, which was actually really simple. So we'll see how it turns out. It's Korean fried chicken with cheese on top. For the ingredients, you just need some sliced rice cake, 6 or so cloves of garlic, like this much ginger, just a little bit of ginger, and 2 onions. You need some boneless chicken. I got chicken thigh. And finally, you need some mozzarella cheese. And then to cook it, you just need like a flat pan like this. That should do it.
Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty want fuck with me. I just want get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make.
Okay, so now we're going to make the sauce. First, you mince up the garlic and the ginger and put it in here. And then the recipe calls for half a cup of the chili flakes, depending on how spicy you like it. Personally, I feel like half a cup is already very spicy, so I'm gonna maybe add only 1/3 of a cup. Then can add 3 tablespoons of the gochujang or Korean hot pepper paste. This is about 3. We add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. These are all rough estimates, guys. Don't take my word for it. Use your taste buds. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is oil. It looks kind of ghetto, but like it works. And then 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And finally, you're gonna use about 1/3 cup of corn syrup, or you can use maltose syrup or any kind of syrup. It just gives the chicken a little bit of like the shiny look, and it kind of adds a hint of sweetness. If you don't have this, just add some sugar in it. The surface area of this is so big, I'd rather just use a spoon to measure it. So 1 cup is about 16 teaspoons, so 1/3 cup is about 5 teaspoons. I cut up the chicken, so it's about like bite-sized pieces. And we're gonna put the chicken in the sauce. And you're just gonna mix it up. So for the next step, we're going to grill the rice cake. So you gotta turn your pan on high heat.
saying la la